Do you have a snowy gray sky picture and you'd like to make it look better very quickly? Well, here's a little trick I'm going to show you with ChatGPT. So I'm going to pull up a snowy picture. So there's right there. It's a snowy picture. It's a hazy sky. That's what it looks like. Hazy, snowy. So what I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do for me is make this a sunny day with a blue sky. So I typed in that very simple command, cooking it up right now. We'll see what we get. Just waiting for a second. There's a billion people using ChatGPT right now. And here we go. Here comes the result. And there you go. Pretty nice. That's a very easy way to take a photo with a crappy gray sky in it and put a nice blue sky in it and make it a sunny day. Just a nice little trick. If you have any questions, give me a call or shoot me a text. This is Andy here, Manitowish Water's office at Shore West Realtors. Thanks for watching. Now we're going to try to take using Google Gemini this time, another AI platform. We're going to see what happens when we do the same thing I just did in ChatGPT. I am going to upload a picture and I'm going to ask Gemini to make it into a blue sky and sunny day picture. So I'm going to use the same picture I used last time in ChatGPT, uploading it into Gemini. Make this picture with a sunny day and a blue sky. And let's see what Gemini does. And here we go. The same beautiful result from Gemini. So either use ChatGPT or use Gemini. I'm sure the other AI platforms will do this as well, but that's a nice result. That's after. This is before. Can save you a lot of editing time just using AI to do it for you. Once again, this is Andy at Shore West. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.